Hi guys, me lunching with Liam right here. Today we made it to Great Wolf Lodge, guys. We made it. Alright. I'm trying to make a video. God, we made it here. Alright. I'm just excited. We are here, guys, at Great Wolf Lodge. We are here, guys. We made it, guys. Okay.
Oh, Liam, look what you get.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
There you go. Thank you.
I got these, guys. Look, guys. Look what I have.
Yeah.
We made it. Wow. We are here, guys. Home in one. Wow. A wolf. Great Wolf Lodge. Mom.
I'm locked out of the car.
I cannot believe I got wolf thing. Oh. A Great Wolf Lodge thing I got. Oh my god. I cannot believe it. I got this, guy. My god. Alright, guys. I'll be back. Peace.